Hey guys, this is John from Junko Company. Behind of me, it's the model of Junko wood chipper, the model R130. This model is very simple, but it's very useful and powerful and efficient model. It is a rotatable with gravity feeding and a drum system, or in Europe you say it's a rotor system with high output shoot with a 360-degree turnable, and with this V-twin gasoline engine. It's 25 horsepower with a 12-liter tank of fuel, and with all this legal red lamp bracket, everything. And you will also say this hopper is really big. I will give you a more detailed introduction of its drum system, or in Europe you say rotor system. So as you can see here, this is the drum, or you call it rotor in Europe. What you can say is like the width of the rotor, it is very wide. It's like more than 35 centimeter. It's like more than 20 centimeter high. So with this big throat, you can have most of the twigs and branches chipped easily. Then you will also see this rotor is mounted with two blades, reversible, and this blade is from end to end, the whole blade. And this type of system can chip the branches, especially small ones, much faster, and also it can produce much better chips. And you can also see here and here you'll have two impellers welded to the drum, and this impeller will create a lot of airflow to take all the chips out of the chute. So you will have a much less risk to get clogging in the chute, especially with those grain materials, leafy materials with a lot of wet things, something like that. So you don't have to worry about the clogging very much. So follow us, I will bring you more and more information for our wood chipper, maintenance info of a wood chipper, or a solution of the wood chipper you have on your hand. So be in touch.